so proud of the Southside Welders who placed overall as a team first in a welding competition, and individually I had several that placed first. I had one that placed second and one that placed third at the Weld Wars at South Texas VoTech.
Winning this competition for me was a lot because it makes my family proud. It feels good representing Southside and bringing home these rewards because we're starting to place in advance. I prepared by practicing over and over. What helped me stand out for my competition was my welds were more consistent, and I practiced enough to the point where I could perfect it. $5,000 donation to our program means a lot to me and my classmates because it helps us get better equipment and more material. I like to go in a trade after, high school, so I hope it takes me there next.
I was very shocked to hear that my name was called. It was just something I really didn't expect it. It felt good to represent Southside and just show that we have a good program here. What I love most about welding is just seeing the finished product of what I built, just to see it all complete, just to know I did that. The Southside welding program helped me grow a lot because once I first came here, I really didn't know anything about welding.
Pues yo me sentí un poco nervioso, pues no esperaba ganar, esperanzado en poder ganar siempre, confiando en sí mismo. Mi maestro me dio clases y así me empecé a practicar. Pues para mí es un orgullo para demostrar, para seguir siempre adelante. Para mí fue un orgullo para representar a Southside. Y ya gracias a Dios ganamos.